So we are here at list. So I'll tell you, I will start with basic introduction to list. So list is one of the most widely used data structure in Python. If you are coming from any other programming language, you might have heard about arrays. So here in Python, this lists are similar to arrays. So what is the syntax of a list? So we can define a list with opening and closing square brackets. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax of the list. And also, it's not necessary to have same data types in a list. Like if we don't need to have same integers in all the list, or we don't need to have strings in all the list. We can have combination of list, combination of integers, strings, boolean, even float values like this. You see here in the list, we have defined a list using square brackets. Open is a list using square brackets, and I have some elements like 1, 2, and 1 as a string, 2 as a boolean, 3 as a string, and 4.5 as a floating value. So this is how we can define a list. So now I will open my PyCharm IDE. I will also use the editor so that you can see what's going on with all these lists. So let me open my IDE. So this is PyCharm IDE. I have created a new project here. So in this new project, I'll create a new file now. I'll create a new Python file list. I'll create a new Python file called list. So here, as I said, I will define a list using the square brackets. This is how we can define a list. So I also give some values like 1, 2, 3, 7, some random values. So this is how I define a list. So as I said, now to just see this, I'll just print it. I can just print by using print command, and I'll pass the list as a parameter. So now if I run this program, you'll see nothing, but you will just see the list printed because we haven't done anything. I will just initialize the list with some variables with some items, and just printed the list. You will see this 1, 2, 4, 5, 1 string 2, 67.5. All these are printed.